Hello kids, I am so happy to see you today. Are you ready to learn English? Today we will learn simple English sentences. Easy, fun and short sentences. I like milk.
I like milk.
Milk is yummy. Do you like milk? Say with me.
I like milk.
I like apples.
I like apples.
Apples are red. Apples are sweet. Say,
I like apples.
I can run.
I can run.
Run fast, run slow. Can you run? Say,
I can run.
I can jump.
I can jump.
Jump up, jump down. Can you jump? Say,
I can jump.
I see a cat.
I see a cat.
The cat says meow. Do you see a cat? Say,
I see a cat.
I see a dog.
I see a dog.
The dog says woof. Do you see a dog? Say,
I see a dog.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
The ball is round. Do you have a ball? Say,
I have a ball.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
Rice is soft. Do you eat rice? Say,
I eat rice.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Water is cool. Do you drink water? Say,
I drink water.
I like cake.
I like cake.
Cake is sweet. Do you like cake? Say,
I like cake.
I can clap.
I can clap.
Clap your hands. Can you clap? Say,
I can clap.
I can wave.
I can wave.
Wave hello. Wave goodbye. Say,
I can wave.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
The bird can fly. Do you see a bird? Say,
I see a bird.
I like juice.
I like juice.
Juice is yummy. Do you like juice? Say,
I like juice.
I can sleep.
I can sleep.
Sleep in bed. Can you sleep? Say,
I can sleep.
I see a tree.
I see a tree.
The tree is big. Do you see a tree? See,
I see a tree.
I like my toy.
I like my toy.
My toy is fun. Do you like your toy? Say,
I like my toy.
I can sing.
I can sing.
Sing a song. Can you sing? Say,
I can sing.
I like my friends.
I like my friends.
Friends are fun. Do you like your friends? Say,
I like my friends.
I can play.
I can play.
Play outside, play inside. Can you play? Say,
I can play.
smile, clap, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.